Hey there, there's some really good deals still to be had here in the city of Cape Coral, and I'm at a brand new listing that I took not too long ago here in the northeast section of Cape Coral. And this is a beautiful pool home for under $315,000, a pool home for under $315,000. To put that in perspective, the average home price right now in the city of Cape Coral is about $360,000. And the average non-waterfront home, which this house is not on the water, is still like $335,000 on average. So we're a full $20,000 under that. This is a really nice home with a beautiful pool package screened in back here. It's got a new roof on it. It's being sold fully furnished. The utilities are already in. Central water and sewer are already in this place, and it's just a really nice home, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's get right into it. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Dustin Guthrie. I live right here in Cape Coral, and I've been a full-time real estate broker here for 2 decades. And if you're interested in the area, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel because I put out new videos like this every single week. And today we're looking at a really great home, but oftentimes I'm just giving you some really great information and things you need to know about living here in Cape Coral and Southwest Florida. So I think you'll get a lot out of these videos, so make sure you're subscribed so you can stay informed. Okay, this is a great home at this price. We're at 1224 Northeast 4th Place. It's in a nice centralized location of the city, and it's a concrete block constructed home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1,400 square feet of living area inside, not including the 2-car attached garage and a really spacious outdoor living space with a screened-in pool. As we head inside, I like that the front entry is also screened here because you can open this front door up along with the sliders on the back pool deck and get a really nice cool breeze going through the house on a day like today without worrying about the bugs getting past the screens. So here we are in the front entry, which also flows into this open front dining room right here, and I really like that accent wall there. This isn't a huge house at 1,400 square feet, but it flows nicely and it makes great use of the space that is in here. This is a split bedroom floor plan, so the guest rooms are to my right and the primary suite is on the other side of the house, so we'll start by heading in that direction first. We'll start off here in the kitchen, and again, it's not terribly large, but it's very efficient in here with plenty of storage space, newer stainless steel appliances, and a ceramic sink which overlooks the pool deck and outdoor living spaces out back. Stepping out of the kitchen, we get over to the main living room of the house, and there's a ton of great features in here as well. This is also where the garage entry is, and we'll get out there in just a minute. But the living room has these high cathedral ceilings and a large set of sliding glass doors that go out to the pool deck. So you get quite a bit of natural light in this room without sacrificing privacy because, again, you're going out to that screened-in pool deck, and there's plenty of privacy back there anyway. We'll take a look at that here in a second as well. But of course, the centerpiece of this room is this stone fireplace. This is a real fireplace, and the hearth goes all the way up to the ceiling. I'm kind of a sucker for fireplaces, and you just don't see too many real ones anymore down here in Southwest Florida. Right off the living room is the primary suite, which looks out over the large trees in the backyard. You'll also notice there is tile flooring throughout this entire house, so there's no carpet anywhere in here, including in the bedrooms. There is a decent-sized walk-in closet in the primary bedroom here, and then we have the attached primary bathroom, which is kind of small, but it's efficient. It's got the single vanity and the walk-in shower there, and you know, even though it's a little small, that's just kind of typical for this size and age of home. Let's briefly take a look at the garage on the way to the guest wing of the house. This is a solid-sized 2-car garage. It has a newer reinforced hurricane garage door, good natural light from the window, and a workspace with some cabinet storage and a sink. And this is also where the laundry facilities are located, which again is pretty typical for a 1980 built home like this. So again, this is a split bedroom floor plan, so the guest rooms are on the left side of the home. We have this first guest bedroom here, which looks out of the front of the house. Right outside is the full guest bathroom, which also serves as the pool bathroom because it does have that entry and exit to the pool deck out there. And then right next door is the other main guest bedroom, and once again there's tile flooring in all of these rooms, including this bedroom. And this bedroom also has slider access out to the pool deck, which is quite nice. And speaking of the pool deck, let's go ahead and take a look at the beautiful outdoor living spaces back here. There are some great spaces out here on the screen lanai. You can see there's plenty of shaded space under the truss here for a nice sitting area to eat outside or watch TV or something. And then there's tons of sunshine spaces out next to this really large pool. And that pool, by the way, has been recently resurfaced, so it's in great condition. And the pool does have an electric heater as well, so it'll stay nice and comfortable all year round. It's just super peaceful and private out here. Not only does the neighbor have a privacy fence along the side of the pool cage, but the big backyard has a bunch of beautiful mature landscaping and trees that provide seclusion back here. And really the only folks you might have to share the space with are the squirrels and the occasional bunny rabbit. All in all, it's just a really nice home on a beautiful piece of property here in the Northeast Cape. It's a quiet neighborhood, but you're still close to shopping and groceries and everything, and for under $315,000, it's very affordable for anyone from a first-time home buyer to someone who wants a seasonal home or even a vacation rental. And oh, by the way, the sellers are offering this home fully turnkey furnished, so you can walk right in and start enjoying this property on day one. It's just a great opportunity to have a pool home in Cape Coral for well below the average price point. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of this beautiful pool home. I'm just so impressed with this house at under $315,000. It has a ton going for it. And whether you're looking for a primary residence or maybe a seasonal residence or something like that, I think this home offers quite a bit for this price point. But thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, do me a favor, hit the like button. It just helps me out, helps the channel out. And if you're interested in this house, you want to take a tour of it, or if you got some more questions on it, please give me a call, shoot me a text. Shoot me an email, whatever it takes. Contact information's right there on the screen, and it's also down in the description of this video. But thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video here in just a few days.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.